As the Toyota Camry approaches its 40th anniversary, the midsize sedan enters the 2023 model year with a refreshed Nightshade Special Edition. The package accounted for about just 5% of the Camry sales in 2021, but the demand for 2022 is growing to about 7%. To answer the positive feedback from its customers, the Japanese brand launches 3 moods of Nightshade with the choice of midnight black, white, and the new Reservoir Blue exterior colors. The sedan gets a choice between a standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and optional 3.5-liter V6, with 203 horsepower and 310 horsepower, respectively. All gas-powered models are equipped as standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission. A 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine is used in the Camry Hybrid for a combined system output of 208 horsepower. Available with 4-cylinder engines with front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, as well as a hybrid, the design package brings a black front grille with a more aggressive mesh insert, borrowed directly from the Camry TRD. Just like before, there are black rear spoiler mirrors, caps, and exterior badges. New for 2023 are the black trimmed headlights and taillights, which complement the darkened appearance. The Camry Nightshade rides on 19-inch wheels with a matte bronze finish and, in the SE trim, a sport-tuned suspension. Toyota says the model is designed for customers who are looking for a little extra attention and for those who appreciate a designer look in the mainstream sedan segment.